Alright, it is time to do a CSS battle. So, let's see what we have today, assuming the screen will load. Hello? This may be a short CSS battle. Let's see if the internet's working. Yes, the internet's working. There goes CSS battle. Okay, we have these things. I don't know what they are. My inclination when I see repeated elements is to do a background. In this case, it would be a conic gradient, but because of the variations, that may not work well. So I'm going to say background is this blue color. I'm going to say border, and actually I just want to select the HTML, not star. Border bottom, 30 pixels solid yellow. Margin 40, 60, thicker 40, and then down, which makes that 50. There's the bar on bottom. Now I'm going to select star to pick my body. And I'm going to say background yellow, margin 50, 140, 0, minus 50, 50. How do I push that down? If it's 0, that pushes everything down. Can this be more? Yeah, but it's going to push that up. Minus 10? Yeah, that'll work. Minus 50, minus 40. Oh, those are big numbers, sorry. 20, 30, 40, 50. And then this needs to be, I don't know, 100. Okay, that looks okay. This needs to be 140, 150? No, 130. 135? Oh, it wasn't enough. 145. There's what I want. Okay, that's the shape. Okay. I just figured out that this may not be what I want to do. We'll see. Box shadow. Minus 100 pixel 0. And 100 pixel 0. 120. 15. And 115. Then I need a color, yellow. Okay. Now I need, I guess, a paragraph, which means that I have to have a paragraph. Padding 10. Okay, that's moved everything around, but you can maybe fix that. We'll see. Margin 0. Let's try 0 for that, 0 for that, minus 10, so minus 5. Let's make this minus 5. Okay, that's looking kind of correct. Padding needs to be more. 20. Okay. Can I push this around? 40. Let's make this 80. I don't remember what it was. 50. There's that. Now, these need to not be 0. So let's say var. Oh, I can't type. It's my H, I don't know, comma 0. And then this needs to be var H. That doesn't appear to work. Maybe I can't declare it and use it in the same property. So let's say T0. I don't know why T, I just picked a letter. And then down here we say H 100 pixels, 15, 20. We have to say the same thing for T. So there's that. Should be a match. And I should be able to get rid of those. That is a match. What I would like to do is be able to use font here, but it has to go from 0 to something, so I would have to declare font twice if I wanted that to work straightforward. It's only been 8 minutes, which is good. I'm going to minify and submit just so I have something. Alright, I can also replace pixels. One of the things, so I could, in theory, make my body the little thing and the paragraph the big thing, but by default, that's going to stretch the body because the contents are going to be bigger. Although I could, so there's another thing I could do. Background wouldn't work. Border bottom might work though. What I'm thinking right now, I don't think it's quite going to work. What I was thinking is I could use border bottom to draw one of these where the bottom is a little wider than the element. I'm not sure how to do that off the top of my head. Alright. Background's only used twice, border bottoms once, margin total of 3 times. There's not a lot for me to clean up here. I could play with percentages for margins, but I'm at 216 characters. I'm going to call it. It's been 10 minutes. I'm going to minify one more time, submit, and that's going to be my score for today. It's not a great score, but it's a score. Thanks for watching. See you next time.